Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Morning. My name is Raffi Damayanti with study number is 2341207 from class accounting 23A. Today I'm going to present a topic that is very important in the world of business and management, which is organizational behavior. This topic is part of our subject called management control system, and it helps us understand how people behave and interact in a organization. In every company, people are the most valuable asset. Their behavior, motivation, and attitude determine whether an organization success or fail. So, by studying organization behavior, we can learn how to manage people better, create teamwork, and building a healthy company culture that support productivity and growth. So, organizational behavior, or often called as OB, is the study of how people act, think, and interact within an organization. It helps manager and leader understand the reason behind employees' action and attitude at work. Through this understanding, manager can predict behaviors, influence motivation, and improve overall performance. For example, when managers know what motivates their employees, they can create strategies to make them more productive and satisfied with their jobs. In simple words, organizational behavior helps us understand people at work, why they behave a certain way, how they work together, and how their behavior impact the company's success. This knowledge is not only useful for manager but also for employees who want to work better with others and grow professionally. The main purpose of studying organizational behavior is to help organizations become more effective by understanding people. There are several important reasons why this topic matter. First is help us understand employees' attitude and motivation. What makes them happy, committed, or frustrated at work. Second, it's help improve job performance and satisfaction, which are key to maintaining productivity and reducing turnover. Third, it promote better work, teamwork, and communication, so people can collaborate efficiently and avoid unnecessary conflict. Fourth is support the development of effective leadership, allowing the manager to lead with empathy and understanding. Last, studying organizational behavior helps to building a positive culture, an environment where every feels value and motivated to contribute. In conclusion, the study of OB help create a workplace where both the organization and its employees can thrive together. Next, organizational behavior can be analyzed on three different levels: the individual, the group, and the organizational level. At the individual level, we study aspects like personality, attitude, pre- perception, and motivation. Each person brings different characteristics and experience, and this influence how they perform their job and interact with others. At the group level, we focus on teamwork, communication, group decision making, and conflict resolution. Since organization really on term, understanding how group function help manager build strong collaboration and avoid misunderstanding. Finally, at the organizational level, we look at the structure, culture, and system that govern how work is done. This includes things like leadership hierarchy, policies, and reward system. When all three levels, individual, group, and organizational, work together harmoniously, the company can achieve high performance and employee satisfaction. Next, there are several factors that influence how people behave in an organization. The first factor is personality and individual value. Everyone has a different personality and set of value that affect how they respond to challenge and opportunities. The second factor is the work environment and company culture. A supportive, fair, and comfortable work environment can boost morale while a toxic one can lower motivation. The third factor is the leadership style. Good leadership can inspire and with employees, while poor leadership can cause stress and low productivity. The next factor is the reward and motivation system. When employees feel recognized and appreciated, they are more likely to perform well. Finally, communication between employees and management play a crucial role. Open and honest communication create trust, while poor communication can lead to misunderstanding and conflict. All these two factors together determine whether an organization becomes a positive and productive workplace or not. Motivation is one of the most important elements in organizational behavior. It refers in the internal or external drive that pushes people to take action. Without motivation, even the most talented employees would not perform effectively. In an organization, motivation keeps employees working with energy, enthusiasm, and commitment. It makes them willing to go beyond their job description to achieve company goals. There are many theories that explain motivation. One of the most famous is Maslow's hierarchy of need, which says that people are motivated by different level of need, from basic ones like food and safety to higher needs like belonging, esteem, and self-actualization. Another one is Helberg two-factor theory, which separates factors that cause job satisfaction or motivator from those that prevent dissatisfaction. And finally, from expand expectancy theory explains that people will be motivated if they believe that their effort will lead to good performance and valuable reward. By understanding this theory, manager can design better system to motivate employees and improve overall workplace performance. Leadership plays a very important role in shaping how people behave and perform in organization. Different leaders use different approaches depending on their personality and the situation. There are the common leader style. The autocratic style is when the leader makes decisions alone and expects others to follow. The democratic style involves team members in decision making and value their opinion. The laissez-faire style gives more freedom to employees, allowing them to manage their work independently. The effectiveness of each style depends on the situation and the characteristic of the team. For example, in time of crisis, an autocratic approach may be necessary for quick decision, but in creative environment, a democratic or laissez-faire style may be more effective. A good leader know how to balance authority and empathy, giving direction when needed, but also trusting the team to contribute idea. Leadership in the end is about inspiring people to work together toward a common goals. In every organization, people work in group or team to achieve goals. Group Group dynamic refers to how people interact, communicate, and cooperate within those teams. Good communication is the foundation of effective teamwork. It helps build trust, understanding, and coordination among team members. When communication is clear, people can share idea, solve problem, and reach decision faster. However, conflict is also a natural part of group life. Sometimes team members have different opinions or goals. Instead of avoiding conflict, managers should handle it positively, turning disagreements into opportunities for growth, creativity, and better understanding. Next is organizational culture is the collection of value, belief, and habits shared by employees. It's how people think, act, and feel at their workplace. For example, some organization value teamwork and innovation while others focus on discipline and result. Organizational climate, on the other hand, in the general atmosphere or mood at work. It shows how employees feel about their jobs, colleagues, and leaders, whether the environment is supportive, open, and friendly, or stressful and competitive. A positive culture and climate are extremely important because they make employees feel safe, loyal, and motivated. They increase job satisfaction, reduce turnover, and help the organization achieve its goal faster. So that concludes my presentation about organizational behavior. Through this topic, we'll learn how people through emotion and action affect an organization success. By understanding organizational behavior, manager can lead more effectively, build strong teams, and create a positive working environment. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.